Hi, welcome to Orange Level Math Club. I'm so excited to do some games and activities with you that you would do in Math Club so you can see if Math Club is a good fit for you and if the Orange Level Club is a good fit for you. We're going to start off with a game called Movement Multiple Choice. Multiple choice is an activity where you are given more than one answer to a problem and you have to choose out of those answers which one you think is correct. We're going to do this game with some movement. So we're going to stand up out of our seats and do some practice ones together before we dive into the math. So you can stand up and we'll get started. All right, so you can see that there are 4 letters on the screen. Each letter is associated with a movement. So with the letter A is squats. You can show me squats. Great job. With the letter B is high knees. Awesome. What move do you think goes with the letter C? Windmills, nice work. And with the letter D, jumping jacks. Awesome. So for this game, instead of sharing your answer with your voice or saying the number or the letter that you think is the answer, you're going to show your answer with a movement. So if you thought the answer to a question was C, you would show windmills. The first 2 that we're going to do are going to be practice rounds, so you can get to practice showing your answer with a move. Of these 4 activities, which one would you like the best? A, swimming, show squats. B, soccer, high knees. C, basketball, windmills. Or D, gymnastics, jumping jacks. You can show your answer with a move. I'm going to choose A, swimming. You can show your answer. Great job. Which of these 4 seems like they would be the right answer for you? A, I like math. B, I like reading. C, I like math and reading. D, I like neither. I'm going to choose C and do windmills because I like math and reading. You can show me the movement that's right for you. All right, great. Now we're going to get into some math. You can finish the sequence. 18, 14, 10. What number do you think would come next? Do you think A, 4, B, 22, C, 6, or D, 8? You can show your answer with a movement. If you need more time to come up with an answer, you can pause the video here. All right, let's check out the answer. The answer to this one is C, 6. So windmills is the correct movement. The answer is 6 because we were taking away 4 each time. That was the pattern. Great job. Our next question is 3,476 rounded to the nearest 100. Which of these answers do you think is correct? You can show your answer with a movement. If you need more time, you can pause the video here. All right, let's check out the answers. The answer is A, 3,500. The answer is A because we rounded 3,476 to the nearest 100, which means we rounded the 4, which is the digit in the hundreds place, up to a 5 because there was a 7 in the tens place. Awesome work with movement multiple choice. We can go ahead and take a seat. The next activity that we are going to do is a counting game. It is called arachnids, decapods, and insects. Insects have 3 pairs of legs, or 6 legs, a 3-part body, and 1 pair of antennae. As you can see, each of these creatures have 3 pairs of legs. A pair is 2, and 3 times 2 is 6. So insects have 6 legs. Arachnids have 4 pairs of legs. 4 times 2 is 8, so they have 8 legs altogether. For this game, we're going to be looking at tarantulas, spiders, and scorpions. Decapods have 5 pairs of legs, so they have 10 legs altogether, which include their claws. For this activity, we're going to be looking at lobsters, crabs, and hermit crabs. Now, the challenge is going to be to use mental math to try and determine how many legs altogether on 2 crabs, 1 butterfly, and 1 spider hiding behind a cactus. You can't see the legs, so you're going to have to remember from mental math how many legs altogether. There's a key over here to help you remember how many legs each creature has. We encourage you to try and do this without pencil and paper. So you're going to add up in your head how many legs together on 2 crabs, 1 butterfly, and 1 spider. You can pause the video here while you do that mental math, and when you're ready, you can start the video again. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the answer. The answer was 34. There are many different ways that you could have gotten your answer. What was your strategy to add up the creatures? My strategy was to start with the crabs because they have 10 legs each. So I did 10 plus 10 is 20. And then I did the spider, which has 8 legs. So I went from the largest amount of legs to the smallest amount of legs. So I did 20 plus 8 is 28. And lastly, I added the butterfly, which has 6 legs. So I did 28 plus 6, which equals 34. Did you use that same strategy or a different strategy? You can pause the video here if you want to think about or discuss this more with someone who you might be watching with. All right, let's try another. How many legs on 2 ladybugs, 1 tarantula, and 1 hermit crab hiding behind 2 giant donuts? You can see them peeking through here. So again, you're going to do mental math to try and determine how many legs altogether on 2 ladybugs, 1 tarantula, and 1 hermit crab. You can pause the video here while you do your mental math and resume it when you're ready. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the answer together. The answer was 30. Did you get 30 for your answer? If not, that's okay. In Math Club, it is totally okay to make mistakes. What was your strategy to get your total of legs? You can pause the video here and think about how did you choose to count the legs? Which creatures did you choose to count first? And what mental math did you do to get your answer? When you're ready, you can resume the video. Great job with arachnids, insects, and decapods. I hope you had fun doing some mental math. We're going to move on to our final activity, which is called brain teasers. For this, you may need a piece of paper and pencil. So feel free to go ahead and grab that now, and you can pause the video while you do and resume it when you're ready. Thank you so much for joining Math Club, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.